We're at the dawn of a new age, the age of AI, artificial intelligence. Please define.
AI is a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers.
The newest GPT-5 advances have recently aroused renewed interest and fascination in AI with 3 announcements, so be ready to learn more about launching the strong new bot. In addition, the widely anticipated GPT-5 next-generation large language model, OpenAI's entry into the video game business, among other things. So first and foremost, in its effort to push the limits of artificial intelligence, OpenAI just released an upgrade for their incredible GPTBot. GPTBot is a smart web crawler to navigate the internet's maze and amass a knowledge storehouse from diverse online pages. GPTBot utilizes an impressive algorithm that behaves like a seasoned librarian, methodically combing through massive amounts of material sprinkled throughout the internet and organizing text data. The forthcoming GPT-5 is essential in shaping OpenAI's advanced language model prowess. GPTBot and its scraping have not only made GPT-3 and 4 viable, but it is now also operating for GPT-5, which has enraged some. It may appear intrusive initially, but the business emphasizes that GPTBot is subject to strict laws and norms for preserving individual internet privacy. The large amount of text data obtained from the internet by GPTBot is the cause for ChatGPT's capacity to generate such fantastic stuff. The models consult a massive data library to comprehend and respond to your requests. Assume you're curious about how GPTBot selects the web pages it visits and avoids. In such a scenario, it follows strict regulations and procedures to guarantee that the data it collects is high quality and respects people's privacy and rights. GPTBot, for example, only investigates web pages that anybody can view without passing through a paywall or signing up with a login and password. It purposely avoids pages that collect personally identifiable information, such as individual names, addresses, phone numbers, or email addresses. Not only that, but the company says that its web crawler screens out objectionable information that violates OpenAI's ethical rules. The idea is for GPTBot to be a courteous visitor who follows the rules of etiquette while visiting your publicly accessible websites. Website owners who do not want to provide the GPTBot access can deactivate it by simply entering download in the robot's text file. With GPT-5, we shift gears to the next thrilling realm of discovery. It includes anything violating OpenAI's regulations, such as hate speech, violence, or pornography. But what if you're a website owner and don't want GPTBot to crawl it? You have the option of doing so. You may direct it to avoid your site by inserting a specific line into your site's srobots.txt file. The line would be as follows: GPTBot user-agent disallow : This command instructs GPTBot not to visit any pages on your website. You may also customize this to allow or disallow specific directories or pages on your site. As an example, user-agent : GPTBot allow : blog / disallow : private /. This directive instructs GPTBot to investigate your site's blog pages, not the private ones. This bot is extremely important in AI since it allows OpenAI to collect more data, allowing for developing and training more sophisticated language models. These models can do fantastic natural language processing tasks like creating text, summarizing lengthy chunks of information, translating between languages, answering complicated queries, and more. The vital information acquired by GPTBot is critical to this technology's continuous evolution and refining, bringing us to the exciting possibility of next advancements like GPT-5. Following the previous GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 releases, GPT-5 is the predicted next significant language model from OpenAI. The buzz revolves mostly around the possibility of achieving artificial general intelligence, which is a master AI capable of comprehending and doing any human task stirring. Is GPT-5 the bridge leading us to AGI in 2024, or is it just a speculative bubble waiting to burst? The discussions vary from hopeful to cautiously optimistic. Microsoft even claimed in a report that GPT-4 exhibited glimmers of AGI, and AI academics urging caution. One of the most intriguing and contentious issues facing GPT-5 is whether it'll achieve the level of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. To understand this, we must first define AGI. It is a speculative AI idea that can learn and comprehend anything a human can. This is not to be confused with artificial narrow intelligence, ANI, which can only execute specific jobs or duties. AGI is a more sophisticated type of AI that isn't limited to particular functions. Early reports and rumors stated that GPT-5 might achieve AGI by the end of 2023. However, to achieve AGI, GPT-5 must overcome several challenges, such as digesting common sense thinking, generalizing tasks, and most significantly, addressing ethical limits and aligning itself with human values. Meanwhile, preliminary indications indicate that GPT-5 will achieve AGI in text and voice with outputs that are so realistic that they will be indistinguishable from or even exceed human outputs. Although nothing is known, hints suggest that OpenAI works on it and plans to disclose it shortly. For example, in July 2023, OpenAI submitted a trademark application for GPT-5 with the US Patent and Trademark Office, the USPTO. The application encompasses various software associated with language models and AI. The USPTO is presently reviewing the application, but in terms of capabilities and features, what can we expect from GPT-5? Based on prior GPT model revisions, we may expect GPT-5 to be a major advance above GPT-4 in size, accuracy, and adaptability. Regarding accuracy, GPT-4 has already demonstrated remarkable performance in various natural language processing, NLP tasks, and benchmarks. This includes areas like natural language understanding, NLU, natural language generation, NLG, question answering, QA, and more. But GPT-5 is expected to go beyond these achievements. It could reach new heights in accuracy and fluency, producing text and speech even more similar to human communication. GPT-5 will also excel in terms of versatility. GPT-4 can handle a variety of input and output formats, including text, voice, pictures, and code. GPT-5, on the other hand, might take this a step further by expanding its multimodal capabilities. It might also synchronize with third-party platforms and applications such as social networking sites, search engines, and productivity apps, for example, Microsoft Office. This improvement will make GPT-5 more versatile and helpful in various applications and industries. Many people may be wondering when GPT-5 will be available. This is a difficult topic because OpenAI has not released an official timeframe or notification about the introduction of GPT-5. We may, however, attempt to make educated forecasts based on previous model release trends. GPT 3.5 debuted in November 2022, followed by GPT-4 in March 2023, resulting in a 4-month gap between the two models. If this pattern continues, we may see GPT-5 soon, probably by the end of the year. However, it is critical to remember that these are only informed approximations. The ever-changing nature of the AI ecosystem may offer surprises or delays that may change the release date of GPT-5. Most experts and academics believe this is a far-fetched and premature prediction. They underline that we are likely several years away from AGI and that GPT-5 will face numerous difficulties and constraints, notably in generalization, reasoning, common sense comprehension, and ethical issues. So what happens if GPT-5 achieves AGI? This is a complicated topic, but let's attempt to summarize it. On the plus side, GPT-5 has the potential to boost productivity and creativity by speeding up AI operations and freeing people from repetitive activities. Offering personalized and interesting information and services might lead to breakthroughs in various industries, including education, entertainment, and communication. The company defined it as AI-driven human voice and text-generating computer software. Downloadable software suites and programs specialize in linguistic processing creation, interpretation, and assessment. It also encompasses software for developing and implementing artificial neural networks, and places OpenAI in the software as a service area. ChatGPT is undoubtedly an outstanding application that will benefit immensely from this talent flood. On the other hand, there may be severe hazards. GPT-5 can potentially undermine human civilization and ideals by broadcasting misleading information, spreading propaganda, or manipulating. Ethical issues and moral quandaries may also develop, risking human self-respect, individuality, and freedom. Finally, integrating global lighting with OpenAI offers an exciting gaming, social engagement, and artificial intelligence future. And as we approach the dawn of this new era of AI integration, only one thing appears to be certain about the future. It's approaching quicker than everyone anticipated. If you like this video, please do like it, subscribe for more thought-provoking stuff, and share with your friends. This is AI Automated Universe, signing off.